What I like about the new Edge 2.0 regulators is the gauge faces themselves. They've definitely made your low pressure gauge a lot easier to read and a lot simpler to adjust to correct pressures that you're supposed to need for whether it be welding, cutting, or heating. What attracted me to the original Edge regulators was the ease of use and the simplicity behind the color-coded knobs themselves, making it easy for anybody to find your oxygen regulator and your acetylene regulators. The SLAM technology in the Edge regulators is a great safety aspect compared to standard regulators, where as if these fall over, the regulator themselves will take the brunt of the fall, along with like that buffer spring that they have in there, not having the regulator essentially explode and cause a regulator burnout